manageable. It lasts longer clean. It doesn't create any buildup, which is a big issue. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I bring you my review of this Bioland Curl Defining Cream. So let's get into it. So you have been seeing me, pause. So you have seen me lately using that cream. And I have been roughly using it. I'm gonna put water in my hair. I'll put more water later, but I'm just gonna damp it up a little more, just to have some more water in it. My hair really likes water when styling. I've been using this curl defining cream, the Flaxseed Rizos Definidos by Bioland, from their line Specific Pro. It's a styling cream for curls, and it says it's a hydrating styling cream for curly hair. So when I saw this on the store, and I don't know if you're going to be able to find it somewhere else besides Latin America where they are based. This is I think it's a company from Costa Rica, if I don't misremember. So if you can find it, good for you. I'm trying to find it for you so you can buy it online, but it's proven a little bit hard. Not even on their website you can even buy it. So let me just apply first my leave-in before I continue. I am using the Creme of Nature Moisture Recovery leave-in curl milk. I made a first impression of this. You can find it. You can find it over here. And I also did a first impressions of the Bioland Specific Pro Rizos Definidos Defining Cream, Flaxseed Defining Cream. Anyway, let me just apply a liberal amount of this because I'm gonna do it differently this time. I'm just gonna apply it all over my hair and actually detangle a little bit. So let me just do that because we're not talking today about the leave-in, but that's the leave-in I'm using. So be aware that my hair is gonna have that moisture recovery leave-in curl milk in it before I start putting in the curling cream. So let me just detangle my hair a little bit more, and I'll be back so I just can talk a little bit about my experience with the curling cream. And yeah, so my hair is detangled with the leave-in conditioner, and like I said, I saw this product in a local store, and I thought it comes from a very good brand already that I've used their products several times, which are all organic based products. They are very clean, and I've never used their stylers, to be honest. I've only used their cleansing products, and because it works, and with the other products, they already have gained a big customer in me, and I really recommend this brand if you ever find yourself that you can buy this brand in any of their presentations, and it obviously has to be directed to work with your hair, go ahead and buy it, because it is, but for what I've seen, a good brand in terms of natural and clean ingredients. So this is the curl defining cream for hydrating styling. It's a hydrating styling cream for curly hair. It's made out of flaxseed. It defines the curls and promotes their perfect form throughout the day. It nourishes and conditions deeply the hair, providing shine, softness, and eliminating frizz. So the first thing that I noticed using, I don't really have to use that much. I think I went too much on it. I don't really need to use that much. You don't really need to use, that's one of the many things that I noticed the first time I use it. With this little much and this section, you just put it in your hands and emulsify it, and you'll see that it sort of foams up in my palms, and it creates like a coating. My hair, the first time my hands just went through like woof, like it soaked it up. My hair actually really likes creams, I've noticed. I don't feel like it has weighed down my hair, probably after my first day washing it. I rarely refresh my curls. I only do that if I feel like they have fallen flat. And even when they're flat, they, instead of being spirally, they are very wavy. I'm still using, you see, I'm running out of my Eco Style Argan Oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of it. Little bit on my hair. My hair in general my hair tends to be on the dry side all the time, always asking for moisture and always asking for hydration. And with this cream, I've noticed that my hair became, sorry, I'm just holding my brush the wrong side. There you go. I've noticed that my hair it's more soft, manageable. It lasts longer clean. It doesn't create any buildup, which is a big issue with some of these creams, especially the ones that have some polyquats. And even though in the ingredient list it says that it has some perfume, which in Spanish is aroma, and you'll see it in the ingredient list later when we talk about it. Even though I don't like my products to have perfume, you know, I'm gonna keep saying this. It's a mix of scents that we don't know exactly what these companies are putting in, but I've noticed that this brand, it doesn't matter what they say, it's their perfume. It doesn't matter that they mention perfume in their products. It's always in the last few ingredients of the formula. The product smells nice because it has all these other oils that you will see, but it's not an overwhelming scent. It's not a scent that just drives you crazy all the day, which I've had products that every time you just touch your hair, there's some perfume, and then it comes down my allergies, and it's a nightmare just to go through all that tub or bottle, because I'm not throwing away my money. I know you should discontinue the products that are doing harm to you, but as consumers, because this is an exercise for all of us, we buy one product and we want that product to work and we want to use that product, you don't want to buy a product just to test it. I wish they sell tiny little bottles that you get, it's just one use, you wash your hair once and you see if it works for you or not. But they don't, and that's why I'm here for you. I'm gonna take the little bit that I leave behind from the other one, because like I said, you don't really need a lot of product. Emulsify it a little bit, apply it to the section. My hair immediately feels soft with this. I like to look at the ingredient list, so I'm gonna finish my hair while I talk about the ingredient list, and I'll be back to show you how my hair looks and my final thoughts on this, on the Bioland Specific Pro Rizos Definidos Curl Defining Cream. Like always, I have to find the ingredients and try them on curlspot.com. There are many curly hair products ingredients checkers online. I just happen to like this one because many of you follow the curly girl method and might be interested in knowing if it's approved. I don't follow the method, but it gives a good base for the research. So this cream was surprising and not at the same time. I knew the brand was clean, but to have it fact-checked by the checker was very rewarding. So here's a complete list of the ingredients. You can pause now if you need to. Most of the ingredients are good for your hair and not damaging at all. You find lots of oils like flaxseed, argan, and baobab, which I didn't know it was being used in hair products. Also, it has good conditioners, extracts, vitamins, and preservatives. The only one I didn't really feel sure about was the third one, which I'm not going to try to pronounce, but turned out to be just an emulsifying agent. And finally, even though it's very low in the ingredient list and hasn't given me any issue with this cream, I have to put the aroma in the bad category because you know my reasons. So these are the results. I had very little gel, so I use all my gel. Oh, sorry. I have very little gel, so I use all my gel. So that's why my hair it's more, more puffed out. But look at the curls. Even though I didn't use a lot of gel, you can see my curls are pretty defined. And my hair feels super soft, super moisturized. I'm not gonna say it's frizz-free because my hair tends to get frizzy because of the humidity here in Panama. But in general, the frizz is very well tamed. I see nothing. Let me just look in the mirror. Yeah, there's barely no frizz. So my verdict on this curling cream, hydrating styling cream for curly hair, Specific Pro Rizos Definidos by Bioland, it's get it. If your hair needs moisture, your hair needs conditioning, I think this styling cream it's really good for that. This is my natural texture. This isn't just frizz. That's how my hair. You've seen it when I have style my hair with no products and only just water, using just water. This is how it just goes. But because it needs the hold that the gel provides, and you saw I have very little and I use it all. I needed more gel just to do my whole head. But my hair is fine. I love how this cream leaves my hair, and I really recommend it. My ends feels just like the rest of my hair is soft, and I think that's the the end goal of these creams, that they actually nourish the hair. And as you can see, when I look at the ingredients are clean. There was only one that I can't even pronounce, but that was just an emulsifier. But besides that, the rest of the products are just extracts and oil. But this cream does benefit from something besides the cream for whole, because it doesn't have anything that will actually make a cast. It would just soften your locks and makes it manageable. It has a very good sleep, when you're brush styling and brushing around it. But like I said, it does need a help just to help back the hair and properly define the curls, and giving it a finishing touch that will last you more than a couple of days. So anyway, I I hope you enjoyed this video and you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!